Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting a recent article titled St. George Mayor met Mohan wants city workers to use AI after it wrote his speech, published by the New York Post on July 17, 2025. My presentation will cover article summary, article culture impacts, and success factors, value to the organization. This article highlights how the city of St. George, California is actively using artificial intelligence in real-world government operations. Instead of simply testing AI, the city has already adopted tools like ChatGPT to support day-to-day tasks, and this includes writing speeches, preparing documents, and completing the grant application. By doing so, St. George is leading the way in integrating AI to improve productivity, streamline workflows, and reduce the burden of routine activities, allowing government employees to focus more on strategy initiatives and a meaningful public service. The city is taking a step-by-step approach, ensuring proper planning, training, and oversight so that AI is integrated smoothly and effectively for a long-term success, supporting both workers and a public service delivery in a sustainable, balanced manner. AI integration in the city operation. St. Joe's AI journey began when Mahan started using ChatGPT to help her draft her speeches in a policy memo, making the city first step towards integrating artificial intelligence in the government work. Recognizing its potential, the city invested approximately $35,000 to purchase 89 ChatGPT licenses, and this move demonstrates a serious commitment to leverage AI for efficiency. And looking ahead, SAN plans to train over 1,000 employees by next year to ensure that staff across the department are equipped to use these tools effectively. One standout success story involves an employee who used ChatGPT to complete a federal grant application, resulting in the city securing a funding for electric vehicle charging station. This achievement highlights how AI can not only save time but also directly contribute to the impactful outcomes. St. Joe's approach offers a promising model for how government can thoughtfully integrate AI to enhance public service, boost productivity, and drive innovation in a responsible, human-centric way. Of course, it is not always perfect. AI tools can sometimes give inaccurate information or illusion information called hallucination. That's why SEN is taking a serious approach, and they are focused on training, transparency, and a phase-wise implementation. They are also learning how nearby cities like San Francisco, which already have rules in place to use AI safely and protect people's privacy. The focus is on helping people do their job better, not replacing them. AI is better used as a helpful tool, not something that causes problems. For AI to work well in any organization, the workplace culture needs to change. In SEN, they are creating a culture where trying new things is encouraged. They want employees to feel comfortable using AI, even if they make mistakes. Staffs are told it is okay to test out the technology, learn from errors, and keep improving. This is a part of what is called a fail fast, learn fast way of thinking. It's common in tech companies where learning and growing quickly is more important than always being right the first time. By giving a people this kind of freedom, Sen is helping them build a confidence with AI. Employees feel more motivated to explore and use AI tools in a smart and a creative way without being afraid of making a mistake. This kind of an open and supportive culture is really important, making AI successful. Another big challenge in a workplace culture is helping people learn how to use AI. And many staff members have never used AI before, so regular training is very important. The city is focusing on teaching employees what kind AI can do and how does use it the right way. At the same time, they are working hard to build trust, and they want everyone to understand that AI is supportive too and not a replacement. Strict rules results that all AI generated work is reviewed by human, especially for critical tasks like budget, legal documents, and public communication. This oversight helps in maintaining accuracy, accountability, trust, ensuring AI support not replace human judgment in important government and organization process. With the right training and clear rules, people will feel more confident using AI. This helps build trust across the organization and make it easier for everyone to use AI as a helpful tool. So how does this technology add value? According to the study research by McKinsey and the Federal Reserve shows, AI tool like ChatGPT can reduce a time spent routine tasks by 20 to 50%. In government, this means the faster grant application, quicker report writing, and streamlined workflows. As a result, staff can focus more on strategy thinking, public engagement, improving service, making government operation more effective and responsive to community needs. AI thus support both productivity and the better decision making in a public service. So, for example, let's now consider how a company like Tesla could benefit from the same technology. Tesla is innovative driven and value efficiency, sustainability, and cutting edge technology. Generative AI could benefit Tesla by streamlining grant writing from the environmental project and making the application process faster and more efficient. It can also improve the integrity communication through the automated summaries and update, while enhancing the customer service with the AI-powered chatbot, providing quick response and support. This application can boost productivity and innovation across Tesla operation. This aligns perfectly with the Tesla mission to accelerate the world's transition to a sustainable energy, making AI a strategic asset. So, in summary, and St. George is leading by the example in how AI can be responsible integrated in a traditional institution. The key to this success are clear vision for the leadership, supportive, experimental culture, ethical and transparent implementation. This case demonstrated that with the right environment and training, AI can significantly enhance the productivity without compromising human judgment or public trust. So the acknowledgement. We acknowledge that territory on which the UCW and its campuses are situated are traditional ancestral and incited territory of a Moscow, Squamish, Salavanetus nations. And we thank them for having a care for this land since time immemorial, honored with a generousness to the students who seek knowledge here and iterate our dedication to valuing the ongoing contribution of indigenous people and community. Finally, I use this reference for my presentation.